how to download pCloud on Windows. So I'm right here on the main downloads page for the app version of pCloud. Now, first things first, I do have in the video description just below this video a link. If you click my link, you can get a free trial of pCloud. You can check out the platform and see if it is for you. So without further ado, we're here on the Windows version. Obviously, if you had a Mac, you'd select that, Linux, etc., etc. But we're on the Windows version. We will click download right here. Now, there's two different options depending on whether you have Windows 64-bit or Windows 32-bit. You can select either of these. Let's go with the 64-bit version. And just like that, the file will start to download. There's detailed instructions here on your Windows machine, on your PC. You will know where your downloads location is. You will literally just open up the .exe, the execute file from there, and install the program from there, and it will be on your Windows PC system. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.